Welcome, everyone. We stand at the dawn of a new era of data. As decision makers, each of you confronts countless facts and figures every day. My message tonight is simple. Harnessing AI-driven data visualization transforms that deluge of data into clear, actionable insight. Just as refining oil produces fuel for growth, refining data through smart visuals fuels confident decisions. Let's explore how this works and why it's vital for your business. It's often said that a picture is worth 1,000 words, and in business, a clear chart can be worth millions. Our brains are wired for visuals. We can process an image in as little as 13 milliseconds. Think about that. In the blink of an eye, a graph or chart can convey relationships that pages of reports might hide. A well-crafted bar chart or heat map makes complex trends immediately understandable, bridging the gap between data scientists and executives. This speed matters. When your whole team can grasp the numbers quickly, decisions happen faster and with greater confidence. Visual insights turn analysis into a story that everyone in the boardroom can follow, aligning teams toward action.
Why focus on making data user-friendly? Because data-driven companies simply win more. Studies show organizations that leverage analytics intensively are 23 times more likely to outperform competitors in new customer acquisition, and 19 times more likely to be highly profitable. Those are staggering differences. The key is not just having data, but making it accessible and comprehensible to those who need it, be it a CEO, a store manager, or a frontline employee. When data is presented in plain language and clear visuals, you don't need a PhD in statistics to spot an opportunity or a looming risk. In short, user-friendly data visualization turns insights into actions. It empowers everyone in your business to make informed decisions swiftly, which translates into real competitive advantage. Now, let's talk about the real game changer: artificial intelligence combined with data visualization. In the past, making sense of data was slow and manual. Today's AI tools act like smart assistants, automatically scanning your data for patterns, anomalies, and opportunities. They can highlight a spike in demand before you notice it, or flag an expense trend that needs attention. Dynamic dashboards fed by AI update in real time, so the visual story of your business is always current. No more waiting on last month's reports. And we're not limited to looking at the past. AI-powered visuals can also peer into the future. Imagine interactive charts that not only show where you are, but let you ask what if and see projections play out on screen. This is insight at the speed of thought. By uniting AI with visualization, we make insights not only accessible, but proactive, helping you anticipate changes and stay ahead of the curve. The impact of AI-driven data visualization isn't theoretical. It's happening right now, by the numbers. Globally, AI adoption has rocketed to 72% of companies, up from about 50% just a year ago. Closer to home, small and mid-sized businesses are jumping on board in unprecedented numbers. In the past year, the share of small businesses using AI nearly tripled from 14% to about 39%. Why? Because they see results. In a recent U.S. Chamber survey, 91% of small businesses using AI believe it will help their business grow. When AI turns data into vivid charts and actionable alerts, it's not just a tech upgrade. It's a revenue booster, a cost cutter, a risk mitigator. These aren't just statistics. They represent thousands of businesses choosing to work smarter. The message is clear. Those who embrace AI-driven insights are reaping rewards, and those who lag behind risk being left in the dust. Let's make it concrete with a tour of industries being transformed by AI-powered visuals. In finance, banks and CFOs use AI-driven dashboards that tick in real time. Every market shift, every risk exposure lights up instantly. This means better compliance tracking and seizing market opportunities in seconds. Healthcare providers visualize patient and operational data to improve outcomes. Imagine a hospital command center where AI highlights patient bottlenecks or predicts readmission risks with colored charts, enabling staff to act early. Retailers are mapping sales and inventory with heat maps. AI highlights which products fly off the shelves and which gather dust, so store owners stock smarter and personalize promotions in real time. Manufacturing floors are becoming visual data centers. IoT sensors feed AI systems that display equipment performance like a car's dashboard, warning engineers of a machine's needs before it breaks down. Across finance, healthcare, retail, manufacturing, and beyond, one theme is constant. AI-driven visualization is turning mountains of data into maps for action, saving time, cutting costs, and even saving lives. Now, some of you might be thinking, this sounds great for big companies, but what about my business? Small and medium-sized enterprises have unique challenges, and I want to tackle those head-on. First, expertise. Not every business has a data scientist on staff, but the good news is you don't need one for these new AI visualization tools. They're designed to be user-friendly, often with drag-and-drop interfaces and AI doing the heavy analytical lifting in the background. Second, cost. 5 years ago, this tech was expensive. Today, scalable cloud solutions mean you can start small and pay only for what you need. The ROI, in saved time and smarter decisions, quickly justifies the expense. Third, messy data. We all struggle with spreadsheets and systems that don't talk to each other. Modern AI can integrate and clean data from multiple sources, then visually highlight what actually matters. No more searching for needles in haystacks. Finally, you don't have to go it alone. Consulting partners like HIGTM specialize in guiding SMEs through this journey step by step, from choosing the right tools to training your team. In short, the barriers are lower than ever, and the path is well lit for businesses of any size to embrace AI-driven insights. So why the urgency? Because the train is leaving the station right now. Companies that adopt AI for data visualization are innovating faster and winning more deals. They see market changes first, respond first, and as a result, they often close the customer before the competition even knows there was an opportunity. Meanwhile, those who delay are beginning to feel the consequences. Missing critical signals in your data can mean missing a trend or a warning sign until it's too late. In today's market, even your clients and partners expect you to be data savvy. They want transparency, they want quick answers backed by facts. If you can't provide them, someone else will. That's why we say, adopt AI or lose deals. It's not hype. It's a reality echoed in boardrooms and sales calls across the country. The future isn't coming. It's already here, and it's being claimed by those bold enough to embrace these tools. Now is the moment to decide. Will we be among the innovators or the laggards? I think I know the answer, or you wouldn't be here tonight. Allow me to introduce HIGTM, the firm I'm proud to represent, and one eager to partner in your success. We're a boutique management consulting team focused on AI-driven growth for SMEs. What does that mean? It means our strategies aren't off the shelf, they're tailor-made. We understand smaller budgets, but also the big dreams and agility that small and medium businesses bring to the table. Now, there are big consulting players out there, McKinsey, BCG, Deloitte. You hear their names all the time. But unlike those giants, we meet you where you are. We don't drop a 200-page report on your desk and leave. We roll up our sleeves to implement solutions, train your people, and stay until you see results. It's a hands-on partnership. We measure success by your ROI and growth, not just our billable hours. In short, HIGTM's mission is to make sure that the power of AI and data visualization isn't just a buzzword for your business. It becomes a lived, profitable reality. We've covered a lot of ground, and now it comes down to the most important part. What are the next steps for you? First, imagine the possibilities for your business. Picture your team empowered with instant insights, fewer blind spots, more opportunities seized. Next, plan a pilot project. You don't have to transform everything overnight. Identify one key challenge or goal. Maybe it's reducing customer churn or improving inventory turnover, and apply AI-driven visualization to that. Start small, learn, and build confidence. Third, partner with experts. You don't have to do this alone, nor should you. I invite you to schedule a consultation with HIGTM. Let's talk about your specific situation and map out a smart, affordable strategy. Finally, as you adopt these tools and see success, lead the way. Share your data-driven wins with your team, your investors, your customers. Build a culture that celebrates insight. In a year's time, I want each of you to look back and say, that was the moment we turned data into our competitive advantage. Thank you, and let's turn these insights into action together.